Welcome to this video now about similarity with regards to volume. In my previous videos I've explained what similarity is very quickly. A summary, similar figures, corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sizes or lengths are in proportion. Okay, we've spoken about similarity with regards to lengths, and we've spoken about similarity with regards to area, and we've spoken about scale factor and everything. And now our final stage is to look at similarity and volume. I'm going to do an example question now, and then I have one more video with an example question, and then you will understand. What did I prepare for you? I've prepared a net of a cube. As you can see, if I fold it, it's sort of a cube. Do you agree with that? And the length of each side is 4 centimeters. You see that? Okay, so if I just put it down like this, and then I think you will be able to see that it's 4 centimeters, and let's just imagine that it's a cube. Then what is the volume of this little tiny cube? Well, the volume of a cube, as you know, is length times width times height. So that is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is going to be 64 centimeter cube. Okay, now I have here another cube, a net, which is twice as big as you like, because the length of each side is twice as large, because it's 8 centimeters. And then the question is the volume also going to be twice as big? So if I know the volume of the smaller cube, can I just simply multiply this by 2 to find the volume of the larger cube? Okay, now let's find out, because 64 times 2, that will be, what is that, 128. I'm going to put the larger cube here, and I'm going to find its volume. So V large is going to be, well, also length times width times height. 8 times 8 times 8, 8 squared, what is that, 64 times 8, 512 centimeters cube. And as you can see, if the scale factor is 2, you cannot just simply multiply the volume by 2 to get the new volume. It doesn't work like that. As it doesn't work with area, because you're talking about centimeters squared for area. So we saw then we have to do the scale factor squared. And we're looking at volume now, it's centimeter cubed. So what do you think? Is it going to be the scale factor cube? Let's find out. 64 times the scale factor cube, is that going to give me 512? 64 times, what was the scale factor? 2, 2 to the power 3, is that 512? 2 to the power of 3, how much is that? That's 8, very good. 64 times 8, 64 times 8, indeed is 512. So yes, it is the scale factor to the power 3, by which you have to multiply the volume of the smaller cube to get the volume of the larger cube. And why is that? Because each length has been multiplied by that scale factor of 2. So 2 times 2 times 2, it's the scale factor cubed, because 3 times you have used that scale factor. Okay, so that was similarity involving volume. Go to the next video for an example question, just to make sure you understand. Like and share this video if it was useful, so I can help your friends too. And check my site ExplainingMaths.com for all the resources you need, nicely organized for you to understand maths a bit better. Okay, I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.